Hi, my name is Ville from Cavitar ArcLess Academy. Let's talk about welding with AR goggles. With these AR goggles, I can see every small detail while welding. In education and research solutions, it's even possible to see the root side of the pipe in real time. And for new welders, it builds confidence much faster. And actually, it's better to show than just talk. So let's change to this view. Here you have two welding cameras, one webcam, and there you are. Alright, and then let's go. Are you ready? I am. And here we go. Oh yeah. Have you seen this before? Can you see the arc? Okay, here spatters a lot. You can see the arc drifting here. And now you can see the weld pool. You can see the slag coming right after the weld pool. Here we go. Wow, that's beautiful. You can compare two cameras, webcam and Cavitar welding camera. You can see the difference. Oh, that's nice. And here comes the end of the weld piece. Prepare to stop. And watch this. You can see the slag solidifies. Alright. This is welding with AR and ArcLess machine.